Okay, let's see it. Are we live or not? Let's see over here. Are we live or not? Okay, I think we are live now. Okay, just a minute, just a second. Okay, guys, I'm setting up some of the thing over here. Okay, namaste and welcome everybody. It's me Susan Ariel, and yeah, I'm a cybersecurity enthusiastic and a learner who is eager to learn cybersecurity stuffs, networking, and new technology. And yes, I was not able to do live, I think, for 2 days on 1st and 2nd September because of some of the festival going around here. Because in our Nepali culture, uh, the festive name Teej is very famous among women, and with the tradition going on, we were visiting our maternal uncle home, our sister home, so that we can have fun and have dances on this song. Yes, and yeah, today today is the day that I am free from everything, and yeah, we will discuss about some of the thing. We will learn new thing, and I have prepared a 4 to 5 list, and with the thumbnail, you may got the information about what we will be discussing and what we will be learning in this video. And don't uh, don't get confused about me talking English, because yes, just for practicing how I will be able to express my thought while talking in English. I am checking that fact, so that in this process my English will also be improved. So if you feel uncomfortable or if you don't understand anything in English, then you can please comment down, and I will start to, or I will make you understandable it in Nepali also. Okay, yeah, I think we have one viewer. And who is that? Oh, that is me looking from another mobile. No problem. Okay, I have prepared a list in a notepad. You may be familiar with notepad. It's a simple thing that help you to keep note on something you have done. So I will also I am recently having some sort of writing in this notepad, so that I will remember what I'll be discussing. So yeah, first of all, we will start with the news that that I previously told you about, that website named Blipping Computer, and now we will visit that. Now we will visit. Okay, from Brave. Uh, Brave browser is one of the safest browser. Oh, let me check. Brave is a browser or what extension? Brave is. Let me check. Okay, because it is secure and it will block. Okay, the Brave browser is fast, secure web browser. Okay, it is also a web browser. Yes, it is. You can say, and I would like everybody to add this Brave browser in their web sourcing, because it will help to have a private sourcing part, like it will work like incognito in Google Chrome. So better you can use this for your reliable and private connection, and it will help you to block the unwanted uh, ads, spam, or kind of that thing. So I prefer you to use Brave while searching for something, and it is private and secure then compared to other. So we will go for Bleeping Computer, where we get info about the new technology, new improvement, new update going on in the tech market. So yes, I there may be another website like that, but I haven't discovered about it till now. So yeah, in background. Okay, guys, for some period I will turn off my camera. Okay, okay. You may have seen somebody behind me. That was my mom, and yeah, I told her don't come in camera because yes, that's I don't want our identity to be seen in my life. And yeah, drink water, guys. And yes, what were we talking about? Let's go on that topic. Okay. We were on the Brave browser searching for blipping computers so that we will know about what is going around in the tech industry today on 3rd September. So, uh, okay, there are two news that are on 3rd September, and there were also news from September 2 and oh my god, September 1. But yeah, I could not. Uh, I was not available that time on 1st and 2nd September, so that we will deal it later. So first of all, we will deal it. What was the news today? Okay, you can see it. This Microsoft certification course deal can help you land an IT job. Okay, that got my attention. So yeah, we will see it. What it is trying to say. If you want to work in IT, staying current with the latest tools and certification is essential. Yeah, I agree with that because yes, with the growing market and with the growing expertise, the old outdated system is not working with the IT because with the increase of AI in every field, I think yeah, the IT job may have in some kind of risks, but with the same mean there will be availability of more jobs to be performed, but to remain consistent and have a high paying salary job, I think to get up to date with the latest tools and certification is essential in the field of IT, and I am saying it from the bottom of my heart. It is really necessary, guys. It's also expensive. Okay, the tools are also expensive, difficult and time consuming. At least it will be if not for tools like Complete 2024 Microsoft Tech Certification Super Bundle. Okay, sorry. I was okay. It was 31 August. There was also a course they are trying to advertise, and I think this is also that kind of thing. These training bundles come with course designed to help you prepare for difficult Microsoft certification exams and get caught up with modern trends in IT, cloud computing, and more. It is also on sale for okay. The course is of total 59 point 97 cents. Okay, and there is a video explaining about that course. I might think that with 11 courses and okay, it's all about course. I think okay, I'll read it. With 11 courses and 246 hours of content, this bundle gives you a broad IT education on topics ranging from modern desktop management, okay, to tackling advanced Azure infrastructure. Oh, what does Azure mean? I don't know about it. I have heard it, but Azure's means. Oh, literal meaning is a bright blue as a clear sky. Okay, that was the literal meaning. But what is this? The meaning in field art, Azure architecture. Architecture is a framework for designing and building cloud-based solution. Okay, cloud-based solution on Microsoft Azure. It involves thinking about how a solution will operate throughout its life cycle, considering factors such as scalability, security, and cost. Architecture self-organizing build cloud-native application. Okay, it deal with cloud. I think it deal around cloud stuffs or what? Was it is media brand? Okay, it is a brand. Okay, we will deal with it later. So better focus on the topic here. Each course is carefully structured to give you a deep understanding of the material, no matter your experience level. No matter your experience level. Okay. For example, the AZ 104 Microsoft Azure Administrator course gets you ready to implement, manage, and monitor identity and governance in the Azure cloud. Well, okay, there are different kind of courses and topic that will deal with different stuff so that you will have a great complete knowledge about the Microsoft stuff that deal around Microsoft stuff. I think that is and to build that this course is very helpful. So yeah, anybody in the chat, if you like to study this course, then yeah, it is for $59.97. You can study, and I don't know from where we can reach this course. Okay, here is given a link, so I will click here. Okay, we I think get wasted lifetime for okay. I think this is or what? Okay, you can purchase from here also. They have gave the direct link with the partnership of Blipping Computer, I think. Okay, I don't have the complete knowledge, so yeah. If you have a complete knowledge, then only go and learn the course. But I don't know, so I will not recommend. Okay, that's up to you. You will. The first news was about a simple courses advertisement. I think that were put by Microsoft to advertise their certification course. Now we will. I think the news that grabbed my attention previously was this. Uh, that was Helibuton. Heli. Okay, how do we pronounce it? Helibuton. Okay, if I am mispronouncing it, then please sorry for that. Halliburton confirms data stolen in recent cybersecurity. Okay, something like data stuff is going on. That data has been stolen. I think Halliburton is a company or what? I think from the image we can imagine that it is a well company or something like industry, and from that a data has been stolen. Okay, now we will read the article. Oh yes, I was telling you that it might be a oil company or industry type of thing. Oil and a gas giant. Okay, Halliburton has confirmed in a filing today to the Security and Exchange Commission (SEC) that data was stolen in the recent attack linked to ransomware gang. Okay, ransomware gang. Okay, they are okay, okay. There was a company. Okay, Halliburton. Okay, we will search it here. How big is it? Halliburton, and in which country it is? Does it lie? Halliburton is one of the largest providers of product service for the evolving needs of energy industry. Okay, it is Halliburton Company is American multinational corporation and the old second largest oil service company, which is responsible for the most of the old largest fracking operation. Okay, that's a big deal, man. Being data stolen from that big company is something we must consider. Okay, and I got my eye on this ransomware gang. Okay, this gang might be famous in the internet because yes, who doesn't want fame in this world? I think everybody want to be loved, everyone wanted to be respected, and everybody want to know. Okay, is a ransomware as service variant formally. Okay, what is this? Okay, I don't know. I think it's a gang name or something like that. Wait a sec, guys. Oh, we got three watching. Who are watching my line. But how? Okay, five like already. Thanks, guys. Thank you very much. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is a website which will um, make sure to educate you through the everyday tech knowledge going around the world. I think that's it. And we are learning about today news that got my attention. That was about Halliburton confirms. Halliburton is a oil company. I think it was the second largest oil producing in the world. So it was a company of oil and gas where data has been stolen by a ransomware group. that was ransom hop. And you may be confused with what does ransomware means. Ransomware means like simply in the real life, it's like there is one guy, a kidnapper, who is kidnapping a rich kid, and he will put that rich kid in a what does that van call? We call it kidnapper van. That van name is Tata. I know. No, what was that van name? Yeah, it's like small van, and that many of the kidnapper in Nepal and India use that to abduct the children of rich person. And so it's like that a kidnapper kidnap a rich person child, and he will adopt it and he will keep it, and he will call the rich person asking, hello, give me uh $2,000. Oh no, no, $2,000 is a small amount for the kidnapping. Okay, give me uh $1 million and I will leave your children, or else you will not be seeing your children face ever in your lifetime. Yeah, that's simply a ransomware in the digital life, where somebody captured the data of your company, of your system, and they will try to negotiate with you uh, that they will not leak your data in dark web, or not sell to the company, to other your competitor company, so that yes, they will try to do that. And yes, up to now we are seeing that. I will give you a super chat. Oh man, don't give me super chat. Please put that super chat in your history, because I want to see you grow up. Uh, Donating or giving super chat to me is not worth it. So yes, uh, keep okay. Okay, yes. Thanks for your message, because it means a lot than a super chat. And you might be thinking that why I'm looking here, because I have kept my mobile over here and I could see the comment or my video over here, so that I could answer the question what the viewer are giving. And please, if my English is mm, not so good, then yeah, you can ask me to please talk in Nepali, and I will try to do it for you. Okay, wait a sec. Okay, okay. Where is I think my voice is clear, or what? Are you hearing my voice or not? Three viewer. Okay, there are three viewers. One of them is Ahan Arial, another is Aditya Arial, and Nepal code. Your English is good. Okay, thanks, Ahan Arial. Satisfactory. Okay, and Bhartiya Bhasa Boliye ji. Okay, Aditya Arial is trying to say, I need to talk in English. Uh, I know a simple Hindi, but I'm not proficient in that language. And I was a movie. I was a lot of Hindi movie. One of my recent favorite one is Kalki, and it was quite a fascinating movie, a quite a good and quite a good storytelling movie. And I am expecting, and I have a high expectation uh, that it will produce uh, what we call prequel or post, okay, new upcoming movie around Kalki, and I am looking forward to see it, because I am okay. Leave it that. Who is watching three views? Me, you. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, who is watching another? I don't know. There is a fourth person, but yeah, fourth person is okay. I could not detect who is watching, who are watching the video, but yeah, I don't know about the fourth one. I know the two of them, and I know the three of them, because one of the one is I am looking over here through my another account. Okay, uh, break from the talking, and we will look over here. The Form 8K filing mentioned that an unauthorized third party access and exfiltrate sensitive information from Halliburton systems, and the company is now in the process of determining the exact scope of the breach. Okay, the Form 8K filing mentioned. What does 8K filing means? Let me search, and will 8K filing means. Okay, an 8K filing is a Security and Exchange Commission periodic report that publicly traded companies must file to disclose material change or event. What form to investor in company, especially that event may be important to. Okay, it's like what? Mm, Auditing thing or what? It is a current report that provides immediate notification to investor, analyst, and the SE about unscheduled event that may impact the company financial condition. Okay, that means uh, it's like something about giving a alert that something is going off in the system or something that company is facing, so that every shareholder, every investor, every analyst regarding that organization will be informed about that uh, breach. Okay, in case of this news there is some kind of data leak breach, so that they have a 8K filing, which will aware everybody, every shareholder, every investor, every analyst about this data breach, I think. Okay. The company believes the unauthorized third party accessed, okay, and exfiltrated information from the company's systems. Okay, unauthorized access means those person. Unauthorized means simply the person that is not authorized to access something. That means a person. Yeah, you may have already understand why I'm trying to over exaggerate the meaning of the things. Company system read Hamilton notice. Okay, it came from filing to SEC. Okay, ठीक sir. Okay, the company is evaluating the nature and scope of information and what notification are required. The company is evaluating the nature and okay, now the company is trying to understand what kind of information were leaked and what was the importance of them and what kind of notification are required to take immediate action over them. Later in the month, Blipping Computer was the first to report that the ransom hub ransomware operation was behind the attack, in that the oil giant was struggling with an extensive IT systems and business disruption. Okay, uh, okay, Bleeping Computer was the first to report about that. Okay, that's good. An email Halliburton sent to suppliers revealed that the company had to take certain systems offline to contain the attack and had contacted Mendiant to help them with the investigation and remediation effect. Okay, they simply sent an email to their suppliers that certain kind of systems of the company will be shut down. Uh, shut down. Okay, to I think to understand the attack, what was the attack, and had contracted Mendiant. Okay, what does Mendiant mean? Does Mendiant mean any kind of force that if any crime happen, I will call police like that? If something happen, okay. Mendiant cyber threat defense solution leverage innovative technology and expertise from the front line to protect your. Okay, it's like what kind of what could we say? When somebody is kidnapped or somebody money or something is stolen, we call the police service. We call our police service so that they will help us to find out who was the criminal and um, how to take the money back from the stealer. So like that in this field, mandate is a American cybersecurity organization which is a subsidiary of Google, uh, that will protect your organizations against cyber attack, and how it was happen, how it was organized. I think that kind of thing that Mendiant do, it is an organization. Okay, like a police officer. The latest 8K form contains the operational distribution internal staff previously reported on Reddit discussion. Okay, that was the thing. The incident has caused disruption and limitation of access to portion of the company business, application supporting aspects of the company operation and corporate function, Halliburton explained. Okay, that's trying to say that because of that incident, the company had to restrict some of the access, and system and and offline the system uh, which may affect the continuous process of business. That means disrupt the continuous process of business, because while we are producing a large number of oil, and that means simple thing, uh, like how can I explain it? uh, let's say if you are going to your office, when it was a time of, okay, just leave it that I am trying to over exaggerate things. So financial and customer impact, how does this attack impact financially and to the client, to the customer? Halliburton has not said details of the attack with the media or its customers, causing confusion and concern to other firms who had their systems connected to Halliburton's platform and fear infection. Okay, okay guys, that's some serious content. Okay, because it is clearly saying that Halliburton is not trying to collaborate with customer about the attack. So that attack about the cost to the customer and other concerning firms, other concerning organization which are connected to Halliburton's. Okay, which have created some kind of chaos among the connected organization about they may also get that kind of attack. The company now says it is communicating with customers and other stakeholders about the incidents and assessing the need for notification. At the same time, it acknowledges the risks of litigation and changes in customer behavior. What does litigation means, guys? Let me search. If you know, then you can also please comment down. Okay. Okay, there are some kind of which was interviews. Yes, who is that? Two boys behind you, fourth person. Oh, the two boys behind me, they are my brother. They are studying their own stuff. Fourth person comment. Who is the fourth person? No, no, no. There are no fourth person. Continue. Comment गर्नुहोस्. Okay, bye. Shout out there. Okay, Aditya Rel. Okay, here is a name boy Aditya Rel. I think he was asking for shout out. Okay, Aditya Rel, big shout out to you and your channel. Shout out नहीं दोगे क्या भाई? Okay, मैंने दे चुका हूँ भाई. आप देखिए वीडियो. Okay, okay. Okay, litigate means what? Okay, we will know about what does uh, litigation means. Okay, litigation. Litigation meaning is the act, process, or practice of settling a dispute in a court of law. Okay. Uh, Litigation is governed by a number of federal rules. Litigation mean what? Is litigation the same as court? Litigation involves using the court systems to try to resolve a legal dispute. Okay. Litigation. Okay. At the same time, it acknowledges the risks of litigation. Okay. I might think that some of the organizations do not trust Halliburton now, and they are trying to cut off their share, or they are trying to get away from the um, Halliburton company. And yeah, there may kind of some kind of stopover going there, and we can also see and change this customer behavior, because Halliburton is not trying to express what was happening, how was it happening. So yeah, there may be a tension arising about the customer, about what was the main deal around it. Regarding the financial impact, okay, we will come about around the money, because yeah, money is everything. Yes, and I'm trying to say it lightly, but don't take it seriously. Okay. Okay, Halliburton say the incident is unlikely to have material impact, heavier financial burden from potential legal action. Uh, Incident is unlikely to have material impact. Okay, it doesn't have any material impact. Heavier financial burdens from potential legal action or reputation risks are not ruled out. Okay, okay, that was the thing that we had learned. I think it is a okay overallly. Okay, overallly, it was trying to say that there was a company, Halliburton, a big oil company that plays in the second uh, in the old, and some kind of ransom hub named ransomware gang stole the data and breached their data, and now there is kind of something going around it, and that case has been okay. And with the immediate action, Halliburton make a 8K filing, which was about the awareness or about the impact to be known to the respective shareholder, investor, and analyst of Halliburton. Uh, that file included, and now overall, now they are trying to understand what kind of scope and nature of information was being leaked, and they are trying to figure it out, and they are trying to notify others, vendor, other system. And similarly with that, they have, and one of the main website, I think Blipping Computer is website or what, I don't know, but Blipping Computer was the first to report about this attack. And now a lot of IT systems has been, or business are being disrupted, so that some kind of system or some kind of things are being offline, because to understand this overview and to reduce the impact, and they also have contacted with Marint to do the further investigation and find out the remediation. And yeah, that was it. And there is some kind of trust issue between the organization and customer vendor, which may uh, have impact the reputation of what we say, Harry Buton. And one of the motive that hacker also have, before they are trying to hack some system, is they want the target to be destroyed from the inside, to destroy their reputation. That is also one kind of motive that the hacker have. And I think maybe hacker are creating that kind of thing, because yes, the connected organization and the customer uh, are in trust issue, and some kind of organization are having a litigation. That means they want to file a case, and yeah, that kind of thing. Okay, our first topic was discussed, and I think it was a long discussion. Okay. हाँ भाई, साउट आउट दे दो, साउट आउट नहीं दोगे क्या? ओके, आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन, आई डोंट नो साउट व्हाट, दो भाई, कमेंट ऑन करो. ओके, आई एम comment. Okay, I have seen your comment, Mr. Aditya Aryal. Okay. Okay, we will. There is some kind of tick button or what? I will search on Google. If there is a tick button, we could get what, tick tick mark, tick mark. Can we get that tick mark? Okay, I was trying to. Yes, this was the thing I wanted. I want this. Okay, yes, this green one. That seems aesthetic. Control C, and I think it would copy. Okay, we have completed our first thing, that was discussing about the recent news. And yeah, how is my English speaking going, Mr. Ahan and Aditya? What will you say about it? Is it good or what? Is it bad? You can rate my English out of 5, so that I would have a space to improve myself. And yeah, nothing is better than something. So your comment will be meant. Nice, not bad. Okay. Okay, let's take a scale of 5, and what will be my grading over 5? Okay, Ahan was saying 3 to 5. Okay, I will agree. Thanks, Ahar Ariel. Okay, he have a poster of Gojo Satoru over his account, and yeah, you may have seen that anime, man. I love it very, very much. Okay, 3 to 5, not fluently in grammatical error. Okay, thank you for being that precise, and yeah, and giving me some kind of feedback that was clearly needed. Actually, it will be okay. Yeah. Thanks, Ahan and Aditya. Okay, now we will move to the next topic. I think it might be exciting, and it might be quite, what could I say? Uh, Beautiful. No, beautiful is not the word to describe it. Yeah, leave it. Okay, and sorry for that. In the middle, I will always have this kind of issue where I will not understand the word, and I will simply end that topic. Okay, now we will talk about the Cisco packet tracer. Okay, Cisco packet tracer, we already discussed in the 31st August video. It is and even if you don't know, then yeah, Cisco packet tracer is a simple software, a piece of software that is used for networking simulation. That will, okay, I have already explained it. If you don't have the prior knowledge, then you can watch the previous video. And to simply summarize it, it is simply a network simulation that shows how the network can be, or how the packet are being transferred from end devices like computer to the switch to the net to the router. How does firewall work? How does it block? That kind of stuff we will be learning. So this is Cisco packet tracer, and this is the interface of it. Okay, we are trying to make a communication between two routers, so we will take two routers, one here and another here, and I have already said that. Okay, you might not be seeing this last button. Okay, I will on magnifier that. Okay, hiccup are coming. I think somebody is missing me. So you can see in this router section we will see here are router, these are switches, these are hubs. Okay, currently hubs are not of that use. Previously they were used. They are so bad compared to switch and router. And this is wireless devices, and what is security, and one emulation. And in this video we'll deal about routers and switch. So yeah, other thing we'll discuss in later. And we have these network devices and devices where we will get like this thing, PC, laptop, server, web server, yeah, printer, data company have. Okay, there is TV also, and this is component that I haven't discovered about. And these are the cable, and these are the cable that we will use to connect the devices, the router, the switches. Okay, and for now we will only use the magic cable, and I have already told you about that. You don't need to have a prior knowledge about what wire to connect to a router, what wire to be connected to switch, and we will just use this and automatically will it will know. But with the gain of knowledge you must acquire what it is. So yes. Okay, now I will turn off the magnifier some. Okay, and if you need to copy the same thing multiple times, then please click the this router and control, and we will can simply put any number of router. You don't need to be yes, come again and again and try to do same thing. Okay, and it's same for the computer. Okay, if you okay, I will point my mouse on the PC, and I will simply shift control, and we will paste one. Okay, sorry, 1 2 3 4. Okay, you can put any. And now another thing I need is switch. So where is that? Okay, switch. I will use 296 control, and you can put any number. Okay, for now I will use 2. Okay, where is my magnifier? I will close this for now. I think you might have understand what is it. So you can see this image, and if you are confused with what is router and what is switch, then you can visit my previous video and you will have knowledge. And for demonstrating now, we will only need two routers. So I was only teaching about how can you have multiple number of router, copy and paste, because the thing is that in this packet tracer the copy paste mechanism does not work. So we simply put on the device and we select control and we can paste any number of thing. Okay, yeah, that is now. And if you are a guy who is trying to make everything nice, and you can do this. Here will be one router, here will be one router. Okay, I will do this, I will do this, do this, do this, do this. Okay, you must know that we are trying to communicate this router with this router, and before knowing it, what we need to do? Connection. Okay, connection is needed to be done. So we will go on the magic wire cable. We will, okay, control. Okay, control, and yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, how easy is it, isn't it? So yeah, yeah, with one click. But I will tell you, if you had done like this, only click in the button and you will do this. That means if you enter control, then it will be there for a long period of time. I don't have course package server, sir. Because of you I learn everything. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you, Mr. Ahan, being my viewer all the time. Okay, this is we have two computer over this router network, and we have two computer. Okay, with two different router we will create two different network. You must understand that two different network means we will use like this. I will select uh, there is one network, let's say 192.168.1 dot um, 1.0. Okay, this is about this. Okay, and we will use 24. 24 means no 24. Okay, there are two devices. Okay, okay, let's say okay, yes, 24. This is the CIDR number, and we will use here 192.168.2.0. Okay, you may be confused about what I am writing here, man. They are simply just imagine that there is one home and there is another home, and every home have their own ID. And if you go to watch your home around, there may be a home address, home number, through which the people that does not know that your home is there will know. Just take an example. If somebody does not know your home number, like a person coming from government organization, they may have the list of the home address that you have listed during uh, filling up the home address for your home. Just like that, they don't remember that your home is from there. They only have a home address so that they can track you. Just like that, uh, this is the IP range of this address. I means this. Okay, you may be confused, but yeah, I will try to make everything easy. But something is not easy. I'll do a fill color and you will be understanding it more precisely. Okay, and yes, this is one network. Okay, this is, let's take this is a network, and similarly like that we will do it here but with different color. Okay, let's say purple. Okay, this is a different network. This is different network, this one, and this one is a different network. Very nice expression. Okay, till now. Okay, just like that, I have given a IP range for this router about 192.168.1.0 and of 24. And you may question about what does this 24 means. In this system, my network address, okay, there are two kind of thing. Let me introduce you with that. I will say that if it means 192.168.1.0 slash 24, this means the first, that means in the total 4, that means we must understand that IPv4 is of 32 bits. 32 bits means like this, something like 0 dot 0 0 0 0. Okay, there are 8 0 0, there are 8 0 over here, and there are 8 0 over here, and there are 8 0 over here. Please count it. I don't 3 4 5 6 7 8, 3 4 5 6 7 8, 3 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, okay, 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, IPv4 6 is of total of 32 bits, and we must understand writing 24 here, it means the 24 bits are of network address. Network address 24 bit are network address. These are network address, and remaining 8 bits are the, what we will call that network address. Oh, I forgot it, man. Network address, and what is that? Network address and device. Okay, network address and another, oh, host address. Okay, and the remaining 8 bits are of host address. Host address means device address. Okay, the IP range that will your device will be getting. So 192.168. What is the network address of this router? Please comment down there. What is the network address of this router 6? Anybody out there? What is the network address of router 6? That means network address. What is the network address? There are two kind of address in our IP. There is one. There is one. What can you? There is one host address and another is network address. If here is 24 bits, that means 24 bits are of network address. That means here network address is 192.168.1, and the address that will come after dot one is host address. If there was, let's say if there was, now what it if there was 16 bit, if there was 16 bit written here, then the network address will be 192.168 only, and remaining will be host address. Did you understand what I am trying to say? So if there was 16, then in case of this, the network address will be 192.168, and the remaining 2 bits 1.0 1.0 will be host address. Host address that will be assigned to your devices like router, switch, and your end devices like computer, mobile phone, a printer. That is the host address. And the first one is network address. Network address is the address that will define you. Yes, little bit we explain good. Okay, I am trying my best and I don't know. Okay, we have switch, and now I think we will do a static IP address. We will click on PC and we will go on configuration mode, and okay, here is our here is not. We will go on desktop and we will go on IP configuration. There are a lot of stuff around here, and with the uh, video coming tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will discuss about this stuff also, so don't be afraid. Okay, there are two types of option: DSCP and static. DSCP means that you can imagine DSCP as your home network, because in your home network you don't need to type your IP address, because it is already pre-built, that is given by your DSCP server, that is I think included in router. If it was for you to put a static IP address on your mobile phone, on your laptop, then that common people will not be able to understand, so there is a service named DSCP which will directly give you a IP address without doing anything. If you try to add a password and you will connect to the Wi-Fi, then it will automatically give you one of the IP from that devices, and you will able to use the Wi-Fi services. But static IP is different. Static IP is something like that you will try to manually put something in the computer, in the printer, or yes, that kind of stuff, and we are trying to put manually. So there is IP range, okay, network address 192.168.1 dot. Okay, I was trying to say the last 8 bit are of host address, so you can write 1. That means when I will write 1, the PC PC have what? Network address. The PC have network address 192.168.1, whereas whereas its its host address will be 1, and in writing a bits it will be what? If we write it in a bit, I think 0.00000000000, I think 10, I think 2 power 2 power 0. Okay, I think it will be like this in bits. So you must understand this kind of thing while you are setting up the IP address for the devices. Okay, now we will go on a packet tracer. We were assigning IP address. Okay, this is a subnet max 255, 255, 255, and dot zero. That is thing that is perfect. And default gateway we will add later. So first thing is this: you need to uh, put IP address and Same thing for PC3, IP configuration. You will go and you will put this, but the host address will be different. The network address will be the same for this router, but the host address will be same. Uh, it was 192.168.1.1 for PC0, but it will be 192.168.1.2. You may be putting uh, anything, any number, okay, up to 255. The range is up to 255, 1 to 255. You can put any number, yes, like that, and you will do this. And yeah, here is also a setup, and just like that in this PC. But you must understand the network is different. Here was 192.168.1, but here the network is different, 192.168.2. So the network identify the devices where they are located. Okay, that means uh, it's like having before your identity, there is identity of your father. Your father give you a birth, so the true person who is responsible to have your identity is, there might be, before you are doing something in your life, somebody will always be understanding about you, or they will know you through your father's name or something like that. And after you gain a knowledge and you will have own identity, just imagine like that. uh, is network address, the first three part was of father identity that was given, and the next part, last 8 bit was of your own identity that you have created through hard work and persistence. So first we will write our father identity 2.0, and now we will create our own identity, that is 1 network address. Similarly, like we will do for PC4. We will do for PC4. I think I am trying to discuss a very complex, okay, very simple thing in a very large complex thing. So yeah, these are the first videos. So I am trying to, his sitting is not learning and looking here it is. Okay, there are some kind of beef going over there. And okay, to the 3. Okay, it's already 10:12. Okay, kind of feeling sleepy. Okay, from tomorrow my college will be starting, and yeah, I will also I will also give you a knowledge about what will I'll be learning and how was my experience that day. And yeah, this semester is quite interesting because we are having some kind of packet injected through which we can hack Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi with a low encryption technique, I think like WPA, and something like that. Okay, and I will be eager to share that things to you. So yeah, please subscribe the video. You can please subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel, and like the video. And yes, okay, the main thing was done to allocate IP for every end devices, and now it's time for what, router to be, okay. There are a port. There are port. So see here, it is gigabit 00. It is fast Ethernet 03. So they are the port. They are the connection that are being connected to the switch to the router. So just imagine this. This packet is here. This packet is going to has no functional. Okay, switch cannot be. Just it is the pathway for PC1, PC0 to send it message to router 6. So first of our way is, you can see PC0 to, so you can see the successful. What I just did you see it? Okay, I will, so you can see it, the simulation one. How does the packet has been transferred from PC0 to PC3? Because it is in the same network, that is 192.168.1.0. And how the packet is going back to the PC0? That means, hmm, I think, yes, you see the click mark, and yeah, you can see the detailed explanation of what was happening. Okay, yeah, and the packet was not going over there. So we will try to our next uh, work will be transferring our packet from PC0 to router 6. Okay, for that, and our last work will be transferring PC0 to PC2. And remember that are two different network. We have to make them communicate. We have to transform one packet from another network address to another network address. I think that is some kind of job we need to do. So this port is gig 00. I think you can see here, this is gig 00 and this is f03. So I think we need okay, we will be connecting we will be configuring ip address ip address for gig 00 that will be act as a default address, that will be act as a default gateway for PC0. It will work as a road for the PC, because router is the thing that will route the packet, that it will make a it's like something like there is a bus and there is one destination. So that bus is something like packet in this system. From okay, there are two destination. It's a festival of Dasai, let's say, consider it. uh, a bus has been a bus leave from Kathmandu bus park to Gulmi Tamgas. So the destination is Gulmi Tamgas, and here the bus moved from Kolanki over Swambu to Kolanki and through Dhading and through Butol through. That is the route. That is the road that is helping the bus to reach the destination. So with the same kind of thing, router help to route the packet from one place to another place. So you must understand it that. So let's say in this case PC0 is one Kathmandu and PC2 is Gulmi, and this is the roadway. Let's see how can we travel this packet from Kathmandu to Gulmi. Okay, if you make if you might be confused, then I will write here Kathmandu and here I will write Gulmi. Okay. Okay, we need to go. We need to move our packet from Kathmandu to Gulmi. Okay, okay. If we see now, is it that our traffic is going from Kathmandu to Gulmi? Let's see. Why it is not working over here? Failed. You can see that the packet was not transferred. You can see here it say failed down here. Okay, I think my video has been blocking it, but I will give you a simulation version how I was trying to transfer a packet from Kathmandu. Okay, it got up to switch. Okay, it come here. It came here. I think it will not go up there. Okay, got there. Yeah, it was obvious that it will not go up there because because we don't have route the packet over there. That as simple as it is. Okay, I will go to the real time and yeah, simply we will do what? Simply okay, for now I will just send the packet. It was successful. Now we have to create a road from PC0 to switch 0 and switch 0 to router 6. So for that I will go on the gig 00 ethernet and write the same IP address, network address 1.1, and it will be like 3, and we will create, and this port status should be on so that the connection is established like it is the source like that. If your system is shut down, then it will you will click on the power button and the system will be running. So this orange button you can, oh sorry, where did it go? The orange button over here is something like that the connection is being started. So don't worry, if you want, if you don't want that, then you can increase the time over here. Okay, yeah, the increasing time here will like just like that you are going to a future. That means for a few seconds away you are going to future, and yes, in the coming future the connection will already be established. So that kind of stuff is here. Okay, I think every okay, now our next thing is to put this IP address, because this is the path. Okay, and our computer, our PC must know this path. So we will put that IP in this default gateway, and we will cross it. And similarly like that in PC3 also we will put that as a default gateway. Control S. Okay, that was it. Now I would think if we send the packet from PC0 to router, it will be successful. So see, you can see there was, okay, I forgot that always my camera is blocking that uh, real simulation. Okay, now I will show you a simulation. The packet goes from PC0 to switch 0, and now let's see. Okay, yes, you see the was the packet was okay. The packet reached to the packet reached to the router. Okay, it was wrong. Okay, okay, you can see the simulation over here. Okay, the packet coming, you can see the packet is moving here and there, and you might get confused. But the simple thing I was trying to say that is the package was going here, PC0 to router 6. So that was the main thing I was trying to explain. Okay, for that simple thing there is also a system like real simulation over here. Okay, if continuing over and over, and yeah, our main thing was done, and we don't need to do it again and again. Our main thing was to transfer a packet from router 6 to 0, and it was successful. And now you can see the green light over here, and now we will try to make a connection. So same process, and I will not explain that same process in over this network. We will simply go over here over. Okay, first let's check what is this interface. That is gig01. We will go on config, we'll go on gig01, and we will type 192.168.2 dot let's say 5, and we will put that IP. We will click on button, and I think the establish is on, and we will see orange button. And if you try to go on the future, then just click the forward button, and we will go on the default gateway of that address. We will paste 2.5 because it is the default gateway, and save it. And same for the PC4. Control V, 2.5, Control A, Control C. So for the PC1 also over here in the from default gateway we will put 2.5. Okay, now similar to that, uh, okay, that you will be confused. So say this is okay, I'll say this is a network. Okay, this is a network of Messi, this is a network of Messi, and this is a network of Ronaldo. So they are trying to communicate with each other, they are trying to send the packet to each other. So I think our connection first was established, that from PC0. Okay, if we see for the Messi network, we were able to successfully transfer a package from PC0 to router 6, and similar to that for Ronaldo connection from PC2 to router 1. So to check it, we can transfer this packet from here to here, and yeah, just for a sim, just for okay, sorry, just for 1 minute of time. Okay, let's go. You can see over here. Did you see over here? Where is the magnifier? Okay, okay. Did you see over here? Here, the source was PC0. Yes, the source was PC2. Okay, the destination was router 1. The destination was router 1, and we were able to send packet from PC2 to router 1. Okay, now we have reached half of our goal. Okay, that's something achievable, and we will see the status successful. So that is the connection is established successfully. Now the next thing we need to do is, where is that magnifier, and we will cut it just like this. Okay, sorry, just like this. and we are back to our present previous viewer. Okay, something. Wait for a second. Okay, I am thirsty. Where is water? अरे वाह, हर एक बार कमेंट कहे देख रहे हो बबुआ. Yes, I need to watch the comment because I need to know what my viewer are trying to say or what they have opinion about me. पान खाने के पान पान खाना है क्या? पान नहीं खाना है भाई, अभी तो पानी खाना है. उम, मीठो है पान. यस भाई, पानी मीठो है. हेलो आहान अरे बोलता है हेलो. हंसो भाई हंसो. ओके, हंस रहा हूँ भाई मैं. हंस रहा हूँ. Okay, okay, let me fix that issue over this. I will put this over here. Okay, everything is fine, I think. Okay, फेक हंसो. नो भाई, फेक हंसो कैसे करूं यार? ऐसा ही मैं ऐसा ही हंसता हूँ, क्या करूं? देखो, कितना प्यारा स्माइल है यहाँ. लड़कियां मरती हैं इस हंसो पे. मेरे सपने पे. मेरे सपने में हंसती हैं लड़कियां मेरे हंसों में. पगलों के जैसे हंसो. नहीं भाई, मैं नहीं हंसूंगा. तुम बस कंटेंट देखो. Okay, our connection was established. Sorry for a short minute break. What I was over there was a break, a kind of refreshment. Now we are back in our Joes. Okay, up to now we have configured it, and there must be another network over here. We are creating three network. One was 192.168.1.0. Another is 192.168.2.0. And to communicate between two router, we will need a new network. So we'll create one. So let's say 192.168.3.0. And okay, we will give what 30. Okay, it will be okay. Only two IP will be needed, I think. Okay, let's say three. Okay, two IP. So I will give 30 IP address, and we will have to know this port. Oh, sorry, what the hell? Gigabit Ethernet. Okay, this port is what the name of this port? Gigabit Ethernet 01, and that is Gigabit 01. Okay, 00. When you will come in Gigabit 01, we will type the IP address, network new address 3.1, and subnet max this, and I think what it will be. We cannot remain, what was that? 249, I think. 253. 253. Okay, 192.168.3.0. Why? 192.168. Okay, I think the okay, I think the IP address is already been sent. I think okay, for one state shutdown, we will create 192.168.3.1. Okay, now the IP address has been set to this, and I will click the port status on for both port, because with every port you will need to click on button so that that port will be open, and we will click here just 24, just like for the previous one. Oh my god, what the hell is this? I think I will do I will, okay, no, that was not a problem. And similarly for this 00, we will have the same. Control B 3.2, and yes, port status on, and I think everything is working. And now is the main thing, guys. Now is the main thing. Do you think when I will try to send my packet from PC0 to router 6 it will work? Router 6 it will work? Yes, of course it will work. Now let's try, okay? PC0 to router 6. Yes, you can see it's successful. Okay, just let me fix one thing, okay? I'll just keep this here for a short period of time. Okay, here, okay. I will make it smaller over here. Very smaller, very smaller, so that it will not interfere anything. I think the changes has been made. Okay, give me a second, guys. I'll see it for what have been improved. Okay, I think I will be preparing because my I have a back pain a lot of because I have to sit in this chair for a lot period of time. Okay, I think it is okay. Okay, now we will be sending packet, and you will, and you can see here. I think the order are too small, so I have to do it. This is my magnifier. So let's say we are trying to send a packet over here from PC0 to router 6, and you can see over here. Okay, let me bring me a magnifier so that you can see that it was successful when I tried to send a packet from PC0 to router 6. And yes, oh my god, where is that button? Where will I have to do? So similarly like that, if I train from PC2 to router 1 to send a package, then it will be successful. So okay, now I will try from PC4 to router 1, and you can see here it is PC4. Are you seeing this, guys? That the connection was successfully established. Here, down. Okay, I'm moving over my mobile phone so that I will validate that it was being clear. So yes, it was clear. So the packet we're transferring up to router 6. Now with the improvement with the improvement of this IP address we have configured, now we will be able to communicate between two routers. You want to see it? So let's see it. Router 6 to router 1. So you can see it. The connect. Oh, what the hell? Wait, why is that? Why the router 6? Wait. Okay, let me check. Okay, guys, 3.1. Okay, it was good here. Okay, what was wrong? What is wrong? What was wrong? 2.5, 3.2, 3.2. This was which port? This was gig 01. In gig 01 we did it 192.3.1, and oh my god, what was the main thing? I forgot to have this. I must put the IP rip routing over here. Okay, let me guess. Okay, guys. What was that? I think I must put the router IP address over here. Next IP address we so okay, let's say if I'm over here, then I must put IP address 192.168.3 dot what was that 3.2 network, yes, 3.0. Okay, I put the network address of 3.0 over here, and similarly like that I put it in rip routing 192.168. Okay, yes, routing, we must need the destination and so that they can communicate. 3.1. Okay, I think now the network rip, with the help of network rip we will be communicating between router. Yes, I forgot about the routing procedure, man. I have configured the IP, but I forgot the basic prior knowledge about routing. And For routing also, to communicate, to have a communication between two router, we need a routing, and you can see over here routing. And there are two type of routing. One is static routing. You can put a network and masked and next up, and yeah, that's kind of static is something maybe you have to different knowledge, but I will recommend you to have a RIP. Yes, network address. That means if this A, then it must have the address of B to communicate. So it will link, and if B need to send a packet to A, then it must have the address of this. So kind of that thing work over here. And now our router communicate. Let's say if router 6 to router 4, it was successful. Okay, and similarly like that, router 1 to router 6, it was successful. In both I have put the IP address of vice versa, exchanging them. And now next thing is, I think, do this packet from PC0 will go to router 1? Failed, because because we only have put the network address of 3.0 on router 1. We must put the network address 192.168.1.0 so that it will communicate with this whole network. Okay, we will go on RIP. That's not a problem. 192.168.1.0, and our network was set up successfully. Now similarly for router 6, we will have to put the network address of 192 so that we have communication with that Ronaldo network address. Ronaldo 192.168.1.0. And now you will be able to transfer a message packet from PC0 to router 1, and the message was successful. And that means PC0 to router 1 was successful. Now it will be successful when I will try from my boss Kathmandu to Gulmi. Oh my god, what was that? Okay, there might be some kind of packet loss when I will try to uh, do first of the thing. जब म चाहिँ पहिलाचोटि प्याकेट फालिरहेको हुन्छु त्यतिखेर कुनै पनि प्याकेट बाटोमा लस हुन सक्छ. So let's try for another time. Oh, what the hell? It was failed for the next time also. Let's see. Okay, guys, that's not a problem. Let's check. It is okay. It was going from up to router 1. It was going successfully. We can see. And I was trying to give here. But why is it being fail over and over? Okay, why is it fail? Why it is in? Let's try from here to here. Okay, router 6 to PC2. I was trying to send from here PC2 to router 6. Oh my god, what is this? Something wrong over here. Okay, I think in this I must put the IP address RIP routing 1.0 we have. Oh, but I don't have 2.0. I must put 2.0 on here. What I'm doing, man? 168.2.0 to get a communication with them. Yes, similarly like that. I think I don't have here 1.0, and where I have 192.168.2.0. Okay, with putting this, I think everything will be working successfully. I will go from here to there, and I will say the packet has been successfully gone from. Yes. Now the packet was sent from Kathmandu to Gulmi, and that's a big win for us. And similarly, we must come back to Kathmandu. So I will send the packet from Gulmi to Kathmandu to see that will the packet be returning to Kathmandu? Yes. PC0 to PC2. Yeah. And now, my friend, we have successfully established a communication between two router communicating in different network address. So if you want to see a simulation, you can also see it. But let's see. Okay, if I transfer packet from here and here, how does it work in simulation? I will on it. my god, my back is so paining. Okay, what is happening? Okay, the message is being what? I think layer port. The device take out this frame from the buffer and send it gigabit and send out frame. Okay, okay, guys. Why is this taking so time? Isn't there any way to? Okay, I was pausing it. What? I am a fool or what? What an idiot I am. What an idiot I am. Okay, I think everything is right over here. Yes, we can see that every packet has been transferred from one place to another place. Yes, the packet are being quite honestly transferred from one place to another. PC0 to switch 0 to router 6 to router 6 to switch 0, switch 1. Okay, the packet are transferring from, yeah, they are communicating from one to another. I think this process will go up until I stop it. So yeah, what is this? It will go fast, but if I increase it that, if I increase it in max, oh yes, it will go fast and I will be not be able to see the packet passing through it. Let's say it was over here, it was good. Okay, yeah, I think you have understand the basic concept, and with the increasing day, I will be teaching you about different things. Okay, and I'm feeling so sleepy over here. Oh my god, tomorrow is my class, and I think when is my class? I have to see. I will make your CPU suffer. What do you mean by that, Aditya Ariel? Are you trying to frightening me? हैं? अब भाई मजा हो रहा है एकदम से वक्त बदल दिया जज्बात बदल दिए ओ भाई ओके पागलों जैसे हंसो ओ भाई मुझे मारो wow numbers are being transferred are those numbers some kind of information yeah that's kind of information that means packet remember like that do you ever concept how is it able when you type youtube.com and it is directly coming in your interface that youtube do you wonder how it is come yeah it's the same concept like this and in the upcoming days I will have a detailed knowledge about it and I will explain it to you completely about everything how does it get transferred from one place to another and that youtube video will be played in your system and that's some kind of very powerful and very engaging thing that I was wondering when I didn't knew and I'm still trying to understand how does it work about the tcp and yeah that kind of stuff that are so technical and that are so deep that non-IT person cannot understand easily. So I am in the journey that I will try to make that stuff understand to the person who don't have prior knowledge about it. And as the saying goes by this, Einstein, if you can't make understand something to a class 5 student, then that you don't have enough knowledge about that thing. That means simply के भन्न खोजिएको भने एउटा तिम्रो नलेजले चाहिँ तिमीले एउटा क्लास 5 को बच्चालाई बुझाउन सक्दैन भने त्यो तिमीले सोचेको नलेज then yes त्यो कन्सेप्टलाई then I think you might have to still work on your concept then you might have to still work on your knowledge your expertise that's the thing Albert Einstein say and I fully agree with that okay the packet was sent our task 3 okay task 2 was also completed okay I think two of the work will be explained tomorrow because the live is being so long I think it is of how much I think it I don't know I think it was started at 9:15 or something like that and it is already being 10:44 so I think for today I need to end of this live and I hope every somebody over there who was watching my live may have understood something that I was trying to say. And I don't want, and I was not expecting everything to be understood by the viewer, because yes, there might be a lot of lackness, lot of lack that I have, because my English, that might be a problem because I'm not talking well in English. And another thing is I'm just a learning student, enthusiastic about this field, and I may not be able to make you understand deeply about this concept. And yes, the thing is like, with this knowledge you can go out there and search for this thing, and you could have a better knowledge about this thing. And yeah, and I'm happy for both, and happy for this both my viewer, Mr. Ahan Arial and Aditya Arial. They were engaging in me. They were engaging in this video, and they are trying to make fun this video. And I thanks them, and I hope them to see on the upcoming live also. And from the bottom of my heart, thanks Ahan and Aditya Arial for making this live much more fun. And yeah, इसमें सुसाना रियाल and you are watching Nepal Court Harbor. फेरि भेटौँला यही समयमा. जय नेपाल. Okay guys. Okay. Before ending the live, if you are new to the channel, then what are you doing, man? Please subscribe that button. And don't forget, there is a section called all personalized and something like that. And you have to kill to all so that you will get all of my videos. And I am trying to do something new. And the problem is that I I have many ideas. I would like to do different things, but the main thing comes here is about the quality. Quality, I think, about the camera quality, and I think for now my quality is not doing that good. Quality, and another thing is editing. And as for me, I don't know a lot of about editing. And if I try to make my video writing script, and I will try to make my video on, and I will try to make the thumbnail, I will try to make editing everything with myself, then I think it will be overwhelming. That will not align with my study. So yes, for now it is quite difficult. But if I had a quite of good team, uh, having a similar idea, having a similar expertise along with me, having a one, 2 or 3 editors. Maybe it's my plan for the future that I will create a great team, and I will share this knowledge, this cybersecurity knowledge among them. And yes, it's my dream, kind of dream. And yeah, we will be a big in Nepal in cyber technology tech, cybersecurity knowledge, and I want to make it happen. That is my dream, and I think I will attain it sometime if I work hard. And yeah, that was it. We will see you tomorrow, and I think tomorrow will be more um, fun, because I will trying to make it fun, and I will try to improve my English also. So don't get hesitate. I'm trying my best to make video more fun, more knowledgeable. So yes, it's good. We just have to set quality. Okay. It's good. We just okay. That's I need the two viewer of mine are so motivating me. They are saying that the quality is good. You just have to make it 1080p. Okay, that gave me a much relief that I'm hoping the quality is good. And इसके बारे में अगत इसके बारे में अगत अगर अगर अच्छा बनोगे तो मैं shout out दूंगा. Okay, I will try to make my best. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye bye. Okay, thank you, Ahan, and I'm seeking this kind of response from you to tomorrow, and I hope you also studies better, and yeah, you also do good in your upcoming career. And Aditya Aryal, you also. So that's it for now. Jai Nepal, भोलि भेटौँला.